Hey team, my 2-minute conviction today is that effective self-led people will have a habit of positive self-affirmation. No prizes to recall the fact that after a couple of tough years in the workplace and at home, mental resilience is such an important part of being a holistic, healthy person. I mean, for as long as the human experience has been documented, we realize this about ourselves, that our mind, our will, and our emotions are such a critical part of ourselves to master. But as leaders, we regularly are criticized. We are told we are getting it wrong. We're falling short. We are overreaching for big, ambitious objectives. We are exhausted, taking people on a journey with us. And so the importance of mental rigor cannot be understated. And so where you're in a world where often people aren't encouraging you and you're feeling disillusioned about the challenge in front of you, I've found it really important to have a habit of self-affirmation. And affirmation is about recognizing those things about yourself that are noteworthy, that you should be proud of. It's recognizing the gifts and the talents God has given you. It's seeing yourself as God made you and how other people around you love you. And it's reminding yourself this on a regular basis. So here's the 4 quick ingredients of a positive affirmation. Number 1, it's going to be personal. It's about you. It's not about the world or the people around you. And so you need to recognize there's some wonderful truths about who you are. Number 2, it's present. It's about what's happening right now. It's not some good things you might have done or been in the past or aspirational about the future. It's recognizing that in this moment, there are things about you that are highly valued. It needs to be emotional. That is, you need to feel something about this affirmation. The soul is moved when you recognize that you are a person doing good and bringing value around you. And it needs to be positive. So, you can't talk about what you wished you could have done in an affirmation. It needs to be a recognition of the things that you have done. It needs to be powerfully positive. When you bring these 4 ingredients together into some affirmation about yourself, you build the inner man, you build the inner woman, you edify, fortify, and encourage yourselves, and you're ready to continue the mission, the task, the objective that you are ordained to be doing. And so I just want to encourage you, positive affirmations are part of the attributes of an effective self-leader. Have a great week as you think about those messages you continuously feed on yourself.